This isn't a motivational video. This is a brain-shifting one, because success doesn't start with talent. It starts with how you think. We all have the potential to win, to be great at something, to leave our mark on the world. But most people will never tap into it. Why? Because they don't have a winning mindset. They have a losing one. So in today's video, we're going to look at what a winning mindset actually is. We're going to look at its core traits, what blocks your path to having one, and how to build one step by step. A winning mindset is a mindset that refuses to quit. It's a mindset that sees failure as part of the process, not the opposite of it. It's a mindset that obsesses over growth instead of comfort. As author David Goggins says, winners are not born, they're built. One thought at a time. Think about it. Kobe Bryant, Michael Jordan, Elon Musk, J.K. Rowling. They didn't become winners because of some special gene. They became winners because of their mindset. Here are the 4 core traits of a winning mindset. 1. Relentless self-belief. Winners know that confidence isn't earned through hype, it's earned through repetition. So they spend their time building an inner voice that works for them, not one that works against them. 2. Resilience after failure. Winners don't let losses define them. Every loss is data, not identity. Every failure is a lesson, not a full stop. As Naval Ravikant puts it, I learned is always greater than I lost. 3. Discipline over motivation. Winners do it when it sucks. They do it when they don't feel like it. They understand that motivation is a byproduct of consistent action, not the other way around. As James Clear says, you do the work first, then get the rewards. Don't wait for the reward first, then do the work. Winners show up every day and stay in their grind, long enough to make it their identity. And for an obsession with growth, winners aren't satisfied with who they are. They want to get better. They constantly study, reflect, and evolve. As Mike Tyson says, everyone has a plan until they get punched in the face. Then they see who's really tough. Winners keep getting punched in the face, and they keep evolving. They ask themselves, how can I get 1% better every day? Now, there are millions of people out there who do have a winning mindset. And if you follow the steps we go through in this video, you can join their ranks. But there are also certain things that can block your path to building one. Fear of judgment, waiting for motivation, comparing yourself to others. But by far the biggest killer of a winning mindset is perfectionism. Because perfectionism is just procrastination in disguise. As Tim Cook says, a loser waits for the perfect moment. A winner starts, then perfects. So here's how to build a winning mindset in 6 easy steps. 1. Train your inner dialogue with affirmations. 2. Journal your wins and your failures every day. 3. Put yourself in situations where you're forced to perform. 4. Visualize the process, not just the outcome. 5. Surround yourself with people who push you, not the ones who pacify you. And 6. Sharpen your mindset daily. Your mind is either your biggest weapon or your greatest enemy. So which one will it be? Now, before you go, I want you to comment below. What's the one habit you'll build to sharpen your mindset? Also, for more on mental strength and peak performance, subscribe to the channel. Leave a like and comment below.